Do you want to earn more money? You don't need luck. You need to understand the law of compensation. Most people work hard, but they never get ahead because they don't know this one principle. You are paid in direct proportion to the value you provide. Solve bigger problems, serve more people, deliver better quality. That's how wealth flows. It is not magic, it is maths. A janitor works hard, but a surgeon earns more. Why? The surgeon solves a more complex problem. The bigger the problem you solve, the more you are worth. Learn high income skill, serve more people, build a personal brand, ask for what you are worth, start a business, invest and grow. You want to increase your income, start increasing your value. Follow me for more mindset, money and mastery tips. Let's build your wealth the smart way. If you have ever asked, why am I working so hard and still broke? This video is for you. The law of compensation explains exactly how money works, why value matters, and how to position yourself for wealth. At the end of this video, you will know how to stop chasing money and start attracting it. Welcome to Success Strategies with Wale Akinyemi. Be sure to like, to comment, to subscribe, and share for more success strategies. The law of compensation states that you will be rewarded in direct proportion to the value you provide. This means that your income, your opportunities, and your financial sources are determined by how much value you contribute to others. If you want to increase your wealth, you must increase the value you bring to the world. This video will help you understand how financial reward works, how to position yourself for greater income, and practical steps to increase your earning. At the core of financial success is a simple truth: money flows where value is created. Everything in the marketplace operates on exchange. You receive money in return for providing a product, service, or skill that benefits someone else. The greater the value you offer, the greater the financial compensation you receive. Money is a reward for solving problems. People will pay you for solutions. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you can make. Income is tied to service. The more people you serve and help, the more money you attract. Quality and quantity matters. Your compensation depends on both the quality of your work and the number of people you impact. Value is measured by others, not you. The marketplace determines the worth of your skill, of your product, or your service. For example, a doctor earns more than a janitor because the doctor solves a more complex and critical problem, that is healthcare, which people are willing to pay more for. A successful business person makes millions because they serve thousands or millions of people with their products or services. How can you increase the value you offer? Number one, develop high demand skills. Learn skills that are valuable in the marketplace. Number two, improve the quality of your work. Deliver excellence in everything you do. Number three, serve more people. Find ways to help more people with your skills, with your business. Number four, solve bigger problems. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you can earn. Many people work hard but still struggle financially because they are not strategically positioned for success. It is not just about working hard, it's about working smart. Here is how to position yourself for greater financial reward. Number one, increase your knowledge and expertise. The more knowledge and expertise you have in your field, the more valuable you become. People will pay experts more than they will pay amateurs. Learn from books, from courses, from mentors. Master the craft and become the best at what you do. Keep improving your skill to stay ahead in your industry. Number two, identify and leverage your unique strengths. You have unique talent, ability that you can set you apart. Find what you naturally excel at and build a career or business around it. What do you do better than most people? What skill or knowledge do people ask for? What do you enjoy doing that can also make you money? Number three, build a strong reputation and personal brand. Your reputation determines your earning potential. People trust and pay more for reliable, credible, and skilled professionals. Be consistent and reliable in delivering results. Showcase your skill through social media, networking, and word of mouth. Become known as an authority in your field. Number four, network and connect with right people. Your income is often linked to people you know and who know you. Surround yourself with successful, growth-minded individuals who can open doors for you. Join industry events, business group, and mastermind circles. Connect with mentors who can guide you towards financial success. Offer value to people, help them, and they will help you in return. Now that you understand how value and positioning work, let's explore practical ways to start increasing your income. Number one, increase your skill set. The most financially successful people are always learning. Identify high value skills that are in demand and learn them. Sales and negotiation skills, digital marketing and branding, leadership and management skills, public speaking and communication. Number two, start a side hustle or business. Relying on just one source of income is risky. Create multiple streams of income by starting a business or side hustle. Freelancing in a skill you already have. Selling a product or service online. Investing in income generating assets. Number three, ask for a raise or promotion. If you are employed, your income can grow within your current job. If you provide more value, don't be afraid to ask for higher compensation. Show your employer how your work has improved the company. Take on more responsibilities and leadership roles. Negotiate your salary based on the value you bring. Number four, invest in income producing assets. Whether people don't just work for money, they make money work for them. Learn to invest in assets that generate passive income. Real estate property that generates rental income, stocks and dividends that grow over time, creating digital products like online courses or book. Number five, develop a strong work ethic and take action. Many people dream of financial success, but only people who take action achieve it. Be disciplined, set goals, and execute your plans. Take calculated risks. Be willing to step out of your comfort zone. Be consistent. Wealth building takes time and effort. Stay persistent. Keep going even when challenges arise. The law of compensation teaches us that financial success is based on value exchange. If you want to earn more money, you must increase your value and position yourself for greater reward. Money flows to those who create value, focus on solving problems and helping people. Position yourself for success, increase your knowledge, build credibility and network. Take practical steps to increase income, learn skills, start a business, invest and take action. By applying this principle, you will attract more financial opportunities, increase your income and build lasting wealth.